with an enormous pride of Sri Lankan traditional murals and paintings, Kalani Rajamaha Vihara shines beside a breathtaking bank of the Kalani River, being just several miles from busy Colombo city. Historical evidence states the stupa was made by King Maniakita. It is described in the chronicles that the ancient stupa first built at Kalani enshrined a gem-studded throne on which the Buddha preached the sermons to the Maniakita, the Naga king. The stupa at Kalani Vihara has a height of 90 feet with the shape of a rich rice grain heap known as Danayakara. The other most important thing in the temple is the image house known as Otpilamage with reclining gold-plated statue of Lord Buddha. Which has been enriched with Kandyan era paintings, can be considered as the oldest paintings found in the temple. These paintings of Kandyan era consist of 7 Jataka stories which describes about previous lives of Lord Buddha. These Kandyan era paintings can be found in both Rajapilimage and Otpilimage. The oldest and the most valuable paintings can be seen in these sections in Kalani Vihara. Among these paintings, a masterpiece of murals is the statue of King Maniakita. The new image house called Alut Viharage, which was built in 1927 under the patronage of Mrs. Helena Vichivardhana. This new image house is enriched with wall paintings done by artist Solis Mendes. These remarkable creations differ from the other paintings. Cantins can be seen on walls of the Ranpilamage or the golden image houses are somewhat important movements of Sri Lankan Buddhist history. One is the bringing the sampling of the Srima Bodhi from India by Sangamita Teraniya. Other valuable painting is bringing of the Dantadhatu or the tooth relic of the Lord Buddha by the Princess Hemamali and Prince Danta from Kalinga, India. According to Sri Lankan folks, there is a statement as, once you worship Kalani temple, you all sins you have done since birth will fade away. So even today, Kalani Rajamaha Vihara glitters as a prominent sacred shrine, the sky of Sri Lankan history with its historical, religious and artistic values.